Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here circle. First we want to learn here how to draw circle. How to draw circle. Okay. All of you know how to draw circle. Whatever you use there. First we want there scale, compass, pencil. First see, here is one hole. Okay, here is one hole. There you keep the pencil, take both sides are same, and then you fix this one nut, okay. We want to draw here 5 centimeter circle. How to? First you take a measurement 0 to 5. Where is 5 number? See, 0 to 5. You adjust this one, okay. You take this one and then draw the, keep here, draw the circle, okay. Then you draw the circle, there is point. Here one point you got, this is the middle of circle. Here you keep and then draw na 5 centimeter circle, that is the middle of point of circle. You call that point P, okay. You also write there point A, B, C, anyone. Then P to C, you call this one line middle to circles one point where you join, that line you call the radius. Call that one radius, okay. And circle one point, middle point, and next one circle point, join one line, means it joins 2 points of circle and it always pass through the center of the circle. You call that one diameter. You call that one diameter. And diameter is always double of radius, means 2 multiplied by r. R for radius. All of you understand? In this picture, A, B is diameter. AB is diameter. First, how many circle? Circle is there 5 centimeter. Okay. So their radius is 5 centimeter. You want here diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by r. R for radius. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to, you got their diameter 10 centimeter. And X and Y, where circles 2 points join there, you call that one chord. Okay, chord is called U. Here X, Y is chord. Okay. All of you understand? And diameter is any one diameter is the longest chord of any circle. Any circle. All of you understand? Circle, how to draw? Take the scale, use with compass. You want to draw 3 centimeter, take 3 centimeter with your compass. Then keep on your notebook this type. Then draw Okay, now this is center point P. P2 circle one point is radius. Then circle 2 point and go to through in the middle point. You call that one diameter या longest chord. And circles 2 point where you join, you call that one chord. Okay, diameter is always double of radius. Means diameter formula what? 2 multiplied by radius. All of you understand? Now open your textbook. Page number 110. Fill in the blanks. Observe the figure. Name of the part of circle. Center. Which is the center? Point O. Point O. Radius, radi, O-N. Line segment O-N. Line segment O-M. This is a radius. Diameter. Line segment M-N is a diameter. Chord. Line segment M-N and TC is a chord. Longest chord. Line segment M-N. Length of O-N. Length of O-N. How many centimeter? O-N-C. Keep 0 centimeter to how many centimeter? 2.5. Right there. 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter is the longest length of O-N. And length of M-N. 2 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 5 centimeter is the length of M-N. Diameter is a double of the radius. Double of the radius. Okay. All of you understand now? Now, the Ladies Talent Club organized a roti rolling competition. Manisha rolled a roti having 6 centimeter of radius and Aliza rolled a roti having 2 centimeter more than Manisha's roti. What is the diameter of Manisha's roti? 6 centimeter radius. 6 centimeter radius means 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. What is the diameter of Manisha's roti? Is equal to 12 centimeter. What is the diameter of Aliza roti? Aliza rolled a roti having radius 2 centimeter more than Manisha's roti. First one, Manisha's roti 6. She more than 2 centimeter means 8 centimeter is there Manisha's Aliza's radius. Now you want here 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16 centimeter is diameter of Aliza's roti. All of you understand? Whose roti more than larger circle? Aliza. Next one. The radius of flower bed is 3 meter. Another flower bed has radius 2 meter more than the first flower bed. And P and Q are centers of a smaller and bigger flower bed. Respectively, fill in the blanks. The radius of bigger flower bed 3 meter more than 2 meter is equal to 5 meter. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 meter. Diameter of the smaller flower bed 3. 3 to the 6 meter. Diameter of the bigger flower bed 10 meter. Because of 5 to the 10. Distance between A and B. Distance between A and B means radius of flower bed 3 meter, another is 2 meter. P and Q are centers, bigger flower bed respectively. Okay, you want A and B distance because of C. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 meter. Because of first one, smaller flower bed circles 1 point and bigger flower bed circle 1 point. Join there with the middle point, center point respectively. They go to the center point of two circles. So you want their first one's diameter, second one diameter is plus there. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 meter. Distance between the center of circle is P2 small circle, center point to circle point. How many is there? 3 meter. And bigger center point to circle point 5. So write there 8 meter. How to come understand? All of you understand now? Okay. Today's homework, page number 109 and 110. Write. Okay. Circle topic. Circle is here very easy. Okay. Geometry topic is very easy. We learn here triangles, types of triangles. Okay. Area, perimeter and circle. Okay. Thank you.